Hi there. I've already washed my face before taking this video and used my favorite toner. Due to the condition of my skin at the moment, I use this serum together with this one. I just got to let it dry a bit before we can actually start. Let's go! Since I'm a fan of Korean skincare and makeup products, why not celebrate with a Korean makeup look? Using this lip sleeping mask and glowing serum by Laneige. This is not a sponsored video. This one is actually used for overnight, but maybe we can use a little bit of it as a lip prepper. Just a tiny bit. Glow drops to shine like the stars. I love how this makes my skin look after applying my super pigmented Korean foundation so I don't skimp on it. 3 drops or 2 drops? Oh yeah, my shirt is again from my doctor and designer friend Leonard Marvin. I'll link him in the description again. I know this is a Korean product feature video, but I just can't help but use the Pinoy brand too. Because 1, Filipino's Diwata palette is amazing, and 2, yes, I'm actually using it for my brows. This is not the standard Korean eyebrow shape, but it's my eyebrow shape, so let's just go with that. Foundation time. See how crazy pigmented this super sun protecting BB cream is? The glow serum helps it glide on better on my skin, looking more like a real skin no matter how obviously pigmented it is. Korean girls have really nice clear skin, so let's give it as much coverage as we can. Some around the lips to do the Korean signature lip look. A little bit more. Of course, Korean face powder. I know Maybelline is not a Korean brand, but it's one that I really trust. So let me use its contour palette, okay? I'll be mixing the blush with Diwata palette's light orange to make a peach color. Mix highlighter with powder to make white. And now for the Maybelline Drama Liner. So here you can see it's not my usual cat eye winged eyeliner shape. I'm trying to follow the way Koreans do their eyeliner. Going down a bit instead of up, like how Pony does. I probably won't be able to fully capture the look without contacts, but let's see. Glow, glow, glow with highlight. Glowy serum plus highlighter is bomb. No bronzer for today, just blush and highlight. Philippines MLBB gloss on the lips, short for My Lips But Better, for the Korean fading lips look. A bit of red at the center to make it more visible. Mix it while it's wet. So there you have it, my Korean-inspired makeup look. I hope you like it. I'm still obviously not Korean looking, but it's a cute makeup style. False lashes if you're feeling a bit more extra. And a heart bun because I'm feeling like giving some love. See you next time.